Do you currently have student loans? If you do, you need to pay attention. The Department of Education has officially ended the COVID deferment period, so now those loans are come due. Unfortunately, the Department of Education only reports to the credit bureaus every 90 days. And what people don't realize is that a lot of these loans actually became due as of December and January of this year, and they're just now reporting those 90-day payment period, which means anyone who is due in December or January is now reporting up to 90 days late this month. So if you have student loans and they have been in forbearance, you need to reach out to your student loan provider and find out when those loans are due. If you're one of the unfortunate ones where loans have already defaulted, there are many different options that you can do to get things back on track. You can ask them to reinstate your forbearance. Ask them to backdate it to whatever date it ended. So for instance, if the loans were due in January, ask them to backdate your new forbearance to January. So you might have that late payment history staying on your credit report, but you definitely want to make sure that it gets caught up so that it doesn't go into critical default and go to collections, because that's a stickier mess. You can also ask, if you have several different loans, if consolidating would be a good option for you. What that does is consolidation would combine all of your loans together and create a new account on your credit report. It's not going to erase the old history, but those late payments are not as critical on a closed paid account as it is on an open account with a balance. So if they won't backdate those and those scores have really dropped as a result of those late payments, you can ask about consolidation and see if that will help you financially, both to save money and to get that negative history off your current loans.